Alright, so I got a notification that my SAI delete kit was dropped off by the garage. Oh, I got a couple things dropped off by the garage. But by the looks of it, let's see. Mimo, blah, blah, blah. Yep, this looks like it could be it. So let me just set you guys up and we'll open this up real quick. Do a quick unboxing session. All right, just bear with me. Okay. I'm warning you right now, this ain't gonna be pretty. Yeah, this looks like it's it. We got the extended hosing. Oh, yep. So you got the hoses. All right, vacuum lines, some vacuum caps, barbed fittings and block offs. Got your rings. Hose clamps. This one came with a catch can. Surprise, surprise. I was not expecting that because when I ordered it, it did not come with it. It did not have a catch can in the setup. All right. So that's a nice little surprise. It's about the same size as the one I have from Amazon. We got our N95 sensor block offs, and then more hose line. Yeah, so we are good to rock. All right, they already emailed me the instructions of of everything I need to yank out. What else we got here? Mounting bracket for the catch can. So there we go. All right. So this is a pre-going to work quick unboxing session. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get this started today. Probably the earliest might be Monday because I will be going away for the weekend. But that's a plus. We're happy about it. So I've got the breather kit. I've got the secondary air delete kit, and as soon as I get the time, we will indeed be installing this Wrench Daily.